Hey everyone, just going to give you an update on how we're doing on the farm. It's the end of May long weekend and we've been busy. So we put in some new irrigation lines so we can water the orchard part, which we've got 6 hazelnut trees down there. These ones. We just put in this apple tree. And we have 3 more apple trees over there that we're going to be planting. We didn't get around to those. There's my favorite spot in the world right there. That's a hammock. But we were really busy on May long, and we did a ton of stuff. Over here, the dark spot that's right by the tractor there, that was actually about an 8-foot tall pile of dirt that we got brought in by tandem axle dump truck. They came in and brought us this beautiful compost mix, and we used it all. We transported every single bit of it out to the gardens. I'm gonna start. This was a project that we did this weekend, and it's a grape arbor. We brought these grapes from our old place on Stellies, and we built a proper grape fence for them, so we're going to train those. We got 4 really healthy bushes out of that. Over here we've got our compost station. Starts off here. We got leaf mulch. Goes into this bay. This bay's empty for now, and it ends up looking like this, which is pure gold. All of these are blueberries and raspberries. We've got raspberries down there. Another cherry tree here. And over here, we just built these. These are asparagus. And as you can see, there's tiny little asparagus. We can't cut them yet though, they take 3 years. And once the 3 years is over, we'll probably have about a year's worth every single go. And these are what I call the fallout shelter raised beds. And we've got lavender in front of each one. And what do we got in here? Do we have anything in here? Oh yeah, we got beans in here. Beans are in here. Nasturtiums and what are those guys? Marigolds.
Oh, marigolds.
Help out with the pest control. We have sweet potatoes back here. Over here is our squash and zucchini. They're just little guys for now, but they will grow out. This is going to be our lettuce and what else? Like radishes, carrots, that sort of thing in here. And this I'm super excited about is all strawberries. So that should be pretty cool. And then we just built this weekend. Oh, there's Ellie. Just hanging out. Just thinking. Look at her. Anyways, this is going to be all cut flowers, like dahlias and things like that. And this is just the last bit of what we brought from Stellies. Everything else we've been working on getting out and into the ground. And for the last 3 years, we've been collecting all of these plants, and we're making sure that they all get in there. We've got Japanese maples. Oh, there's some nice flowers. Japanese maples. We've got a dogwood over here. We've got a few tables full of plants that still have to go in. A lot of these are herbs. Oh, there's a really cool little oak here. Look at that little oak tree. It will be mighty one day. Ferns. We still got to find places for these things. Lilac. And this is where we hang out and talk about what we're going to do next. But yeah, that's it. And that's what we've got going on so far. And our May long weekend was a lot of hard work. Oh, wait. Over here, after we shoveled all that dirt, we decided to put potatoes in. So we've put potatoes in. 1, 2, 3, 4 rows of potatoes. And then there's going to be straw over that. And then I've got a single little watermelon plant here. And 1, 2, 3 pumpkins. So this is all going to be covered over with straw. And they love that, so that'll be good. But yeah, that's our farm so far. And I hope to see everyone out here to see it in person one day. Okay, bye.